In some cases, we may need a hyperlink to jump to a website or another table, so how can we insert it? Take this table as an example. Select a cell, click Edit, select Tools, and in the Insert tab, click Hyperlink. 4 types of hyperlinks are available. They are Web Page, Place in this document, Email address, and Local file. 1. Web Page. Input the WPS Academy website in the address text box. Here we can change its network protocol type. To hide the website, we can also customize its text to display. Input WPS Academy and click OK. Or we can click the cell, select Edit in the floating window, and customize the text to display in the text box. Then click the hyperlink to jump to the website. If we want to delete it, click Delete Hyperlink. Two, place in this document. Input A1 in the cell reference area and select Weight and BMI chart in the sheet selection area. Then click the hyperlink to jump to cell A1 in the weight and BMI chart. 3. Email address. Input the email address and subject and click OK. Then click the hyperlink to jump to the email quickly. 4. Local file. Select Choose File in File Path. Select a local file, customize the text to display, and click OK. Then click the hyperlink to jump to the linked file quickly. That's all about hyperlinks. You're welcome to explore more features for WPS spreadsheets in WPS Office for Windows.